Ever wonder why some people build massive wealth while others struggle? It starts with one small disciplined decision. This is Finn. Today, he's starting his future fund with just $100. He checks his app, and the balance looks tiny. Investing is like rolling a snowball down a mountain. At first, it is slow and requires effort for very little visible gain. By year 5, the snowball has grown slightly. It's progress, but it doesn't feel like a fortune yet. Most people give up here. Then comes the volatility. Markets dip, and red arrows signal a crash. But Finn stays calm while the world panics. He continues to add his $100 every single month. By year 10, the foundation is solid. He trusts the process. Suddenly, the magic of compounding takes over. The snowball reaches the crest and starts rolling on its own momentum. By year 20, the growth is exponential. Money is making money. Those small monthly deposits have transformed into a mountain of wealth. From $100 to $1 million, wealth isn't about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Trust the process.